Mates, I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you GitHub in advanced level. What is GitHub? GitHub it is a code control management tool. GitHub it is a version control management tool. See, for uses of GitHub, you need to first install Git Bash software in your system. Then corresponding operating system, you can simply download the Git Bash software and go ahead with the installation. Once installation is done, the next step, you can simply sign in with the GitHub. Then go ahead with the sign up and then do the sign in. Once your sign in is done, then simply come up with the new repo and give the repo name as whatever you want. I'm giving here repo name as Spring Boot REST API example. This example, if is already available there, then you need to give the unique repo name. Then this repo we are making as a public. Public it means access, anyone they will be able to access this repository. And we are checking here readme file. A readme file it means if you want to add some information of your application or project, then you can simply add such information within a readme file. Next you can simply click on create the repo, and once repo is created, then you can simply try to clone it. Then coming with the code and then copy the URL here. Then come up with our local folder and type there cmd. It will open the command prompt. Then use git clone and paste the URL there. It will start the cloning. Now use cd space tab. We are entering with that particular folder. Now we are checking the local repo folder. There will be available a readme file. Now within readme file, I want to add here all the commands of GitHub. The commands you can simply check for day to day of your use perspective. Then see all the commands I added here with description. Now save the file. Then coming to next, we are adding project within our local repo. So I just copied the Spring Boot project and I am just adding here. And I don't want to commit the change. I don't want to commit the backup file. That's why I deleted the file from local. Then come up with the command prompt. Here we are trying to add those changes within our GitHub. Then use git add dot. Dot it means it will add all the files. Next git commit -m. -m it means message. We are giving here message as a initial commit. Then use git push. It will push the changes from local to centralized repo. And we'll come up with the centralized repo here. See all the changes available here. Whatever changes we did, all the changes available here. See. See all the changes available here. Then here we have created which branch? Main branch. See here is available main branch. Now we are trying to create here feature branch. Then just type here git checkout -b and giving here feature 1. See our branch is created. Now you can simply type here git branch. You will be able to see branch name as feature 1, but this branch available in local. We are just going to refresh here. See this branch still not available in centralized repo. When it will be available? Once we are using git space push. For that perspective, again we need to add this command here. Just do the copy paste. Now our feature branch will be available in centralized repo. See, I just refresh it here and you will be able to see here feature 1 branch. Simply click on main. Yeah. See, we are just expecting here our branch will be available. See feature 1 branch available there. See on screen. Perfect. Now here again if you are trying git branch, it will show us the feature 1. Now I want to do some changes within feature branch. For that perspective, I will import this project in IntelliJ IDEA. Then we'll come up with the IntelliJ IDEA here. Simply goes to file, then new project from existing sources. we are giving here path of our application. Yeah. Then here I want to import this application as a Maven application. Then transport it with new window. I will just going to add here one API. The API name I am giving as the address API. For that perspective, we are going to open here application controller.java file. See, coming to src, then main java com.fullstack, there is available our controller, and here I am just trying to open application controller.java, and here we are creating the one more API. We are giving the API name itself. This is address API, and here we are mentioning this is say address, and here I am just adding some information about address. This is Inspira Mall, Pune, India. Now once it's done, then again we'll come up with the GitHub, and here I am using Git GUI. You will be able to add the only one file as well, but if you are going to check Git GUI, this will be graphical user interface for GitHub, and there also you will be able to see like which file you want to commit. See, here the file showing will maximize the size of screen here, and you will be able to see application controller.java, this file available here, and whatever plus it means those are the added changes there, new changes. Then coming to commit, then do this stage to commit. We are adding here message. This is added new API for address, and then come up with the commit, and then click on push. Push in which branch? Feature 1 branch. Now the changes will be available in feature 1 branch itself. See, the all changes are available in feature 1 branch. It will give us the success message here. If you want to check those changes, then simply come up with the GitHub and simply check here feature 1. Now we'll come up with our application. Then there is available src main java com.fullstack, and there is available controller application controller.java file. See, here address API available. Now if you are checking with the main branch, the address API is not available there. See one screen. Now we are trying to merge our feature branch into main branch. It means address API we are trying to add those changes within our main branch as well by using command prompt itself. Then again coming to command prompt, then currently we are in which branch? Feature 1 branch. See, we are going to check out here git checkout main branch, and then use git merge feature 1, and then you can simply use git push. See, the changes will be available on feature 1 branch as well. We'll simply